So what we're going to do today is put the seals back into this. We've powder coated this Cobra brake caliper, and we're going to do a rebuild. This is my first time putting one of these back together, so hopefully this goes smooth. We'll see how it does. What you're going to do to start off, put some brake fluid just in the cap, and make sure to keep your fingers as clean as possible, but you're going to also need to lube up the seal. Alright, so you want to make sure you're going to have to put brake fluid on this to get it to seat in there properly without binding up. You go ahead and rub brake fluid all around that. And then as much as possible you want to make sure and keep your fingers clean, because any place you touch on this afterwards you've got a chance of messing up the finish. So as much as possible try and keep your fingers clean. And you're just gonna so that one went in fairly simple. There we go. Just want to run your finger around the inside of there, make sure it's sitting in there nice and flush. I don't know if you can see inside of there. That's where that's going to sit. And you're going to take the piston, so you're going to slide it on there. There we go. So you're going to want that hanging out just past the end of the piston, so that way you can tuck it in there. Again, keep your hands dry or clean as possible. It's that simple. You get it in there sitting nice and flush. You just want to twist it back and forth until you feel that piston seat into where that O-ring starts. And there we go. That's simple. And then rinse and repeat. So again, I'm just putting brake fluid on this. It gets nice and lubed up. Again, it's the second groove that's back there. Again, you're going to slide it just past the end. Try to wipe your hands off. There we go. That one's nice and seated. So again, you're just going to push it in, twisting it until you feel where it seats. Fresh rag. There you go, one rebuilt caliper.